How to change logo of your YouTube channel. Now, in order to change the logo of your YouTube channel, just simply go over the profile of your YouTube and select your YouTube channel at very first. Then you will get to see this pencil icon into your profile page. Tap into the pencil and you will see this page where you can see your channel's logo at the very top middle. Tap into the camera icon in there and you will get to see two options. First one is camera and second one is gallery, or you can choose photos from your Google Photos. I'm just simply choosing gallery to select images that are there. And after that, you just simply need to select the image which you would like to set as the profile picture or the logo for your YouTube channel. After that, resize your image if you want and tap to save as profile picture. And this is how you can very easily change your YouTube channel's logo or profile picture. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.